The logistics world is being transformed by AI. Today, we can see AI already being used to optimize carrier operations, maximize fleet utilization, conduct automatic negotiations, and even make AI-powered demand forecasts. But this is only the start. In the future, AI will bring us towards a radical new vision of logistics. Staff shortages will become a distant memory, as automation takes over 80% of all logistics jobs. AI will enable deliveries at remarkable speed, achieved through aerial superhighway networks reserved for thousands of autonomous cargo drones, all overseen by an omniscient AI overmind. Every warehouse in the supply chain network will be interconnected via an AI, managing inventory at micro and macro scales with integrated AIs that combine automation technology, drones, and analytics to eliminate the need for human oversight almost entirely. The just-in-time model for procurement may even become obsolete, replaced by a negative inventory model that uses quantum AI calculations to move products through the supply chain based on probability alone. An inspiring vision of AI-enabled logistics awaits. Are you ready to discover it?